Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be solving this equation x minus 1 over x equals 2. The first step is we want to make it so that the x is not in the denominator. What we can do is multiply both sides with x. So x times x, we have x squared, minus x times 1 over x, that's just 1, equal to 2x. And now we want to bring everything to one side. So let's subtract both sides by 2x. We have x squared minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. We can use the quadratic formula. So we have x is equal to negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And here we know that a is equal to 1 because a is the coefficient of x squared. And then we have negative 2, so b is equal to negative 2 and c is equal to negative 1. So here we have b. We can change it to negative 2. And what is negative 2? Well, that's just positive 2. And same thing here. We have b squared. Let's turn that into negative 2 squared. And negative 2 to the power of 2 is just 4. Now we have 4 times a times c. That is the same as 4 times 1 times negative 1. And let's change the a down here as well. So a is just 1. Now, this is negative 4 times 1 times negative 1, which makes positive 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 2 times 1 is 2. What is square root of 8 going to be? Well, we know that the square root of 8 is equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. And that's equal to 2 times the square root of 2. This entire thing is the same as 2 over 2 plus and minus 2 square root of 2 over 2, which is basically 1 plus and minus the square root of 2. Basically, x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 2 and 1 minus the square root of 2. And this right here is your answer. So I hope you enjoy my video. If you know any fun problems like this one, please let me know down in the comments below. And also don't forget to subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next one.